Hi there, Josh the Binary Watchdog here, and this is my new Josh's Binary Watchdog edition. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I'll be talking about Binary Boom, and as with all products I review, tell you if it's the real deal or not. So be prepared. I tested this software extensively and got a huge surprise. So let's get started. For those who don't know me, or what I do, let me fill you in. I worked at a binary options brokerage for around 3 years, so I've probably seen everything there is to see in the binary options industry, from good to bad, from horrible to great. I know every trick out there. Trust me, if it's been done, I've seen it. Nothing gets past me. And that's why I started my little corner on the web, to expose bullshit and to give positive credit to the product developers that deserve it. There's a lot of trash out there, so people have to be careful. And if I can help, I will. So let's get to business. Binary Boom. I have to say that this one caught my eye right off the bat, and I rarely say that. Why, you ask? Well, because of the real-time live performance proof claim. Now, when I look at binary options trading software, I couldn't care less about the marketing of the product. That doesn't matter. What matters to me is the real deal. In other words, does this thing make money or not? Plain and simple. Dennis, the developer of the product, is the first person I found to go the extra mile when providing proof. His website shows real trades that Binary Boom is placing, all happening in real time. I have to say that's quite extraordinary. But are the trades real? Are they really live? Is there anything we're missing? Well, after a lot of research and after using the software personally, the only conclusion I can arrive at is that these trades are live and really placed by the Binary Boom software. Quite incredible. So, Dennis's website shows us trades as they're coming in. We can see the entry price, the exact time they were entered, the currency pair, the 60-second countdown timer, and the current option price changing live. However, before I opened a binary options account to start testing Binary Boom, I did the following. I spent an hour watching the Binary Boom website and did this for 3 days, 1 hour per day, and monitored the live trades as they were coming in. As each trade came across the page, I wrote down the entry price, the time it was entered, and the exit price 60 seconds later. While doing that, and in as close as real time as I could manage, I compared those prices and the time with 3 binary option brokers. Why 3 brokers? Well, just to be on the safe side. I wanted to see that what Dennis was showing me on his website was in fact real time and exactly matching what was going on at the binary option brokers. That's the important thing. Being sure that what he's showing us on his website matches the real-time prices and time shown on broker websites. So what were my results and conclusions? Well, surprisingly, every single trade shown as being live on the Binary Boom website is in fact real and matches the binary options brokers' prices and times 100%. Quite amazing. Now, Dennis does leave out whether the trade is a call or put for the first 20 seconds. And his reason for doing that, which I can completely understand, is to prevent people copying the trades directly from his website. And be sure they use the Binary Boom software instead. And if you're wondering whether omitting the call or put element for 20 seconds is a way to cheat, I can tell you that the answer is no. It's statistically impossible for anyone to guess what the outcome of a trade will be over the next 40 seconds, even if they can see where price went during the preceding 20 seconds. And as Dennis says, if you don't believe me, try it yourself. Anyway, in my opinion, the 20-second delay is a good thing to make sure people don't copy trades from his website on the one hand, yet still guarantee that the trade is real, live, and accurate on the other. So, all good up to now. But does Binary Boom make money on my personal account? It does. Lots. I actually started with a small account as I didn't want to risk too much while testing. So I put Binary Boom on a $400 account, though you can start with less if you wish. Fired it up. First 3 hours results, over $200 profit. More or less what Dennis claims on his website. And more importantly, exactly what his live proof shows on his website. It's quite amazing, actually. Every trade I saw on Dennis's website was placed in my binary options account. So, as of today, I've been using his software for 2 months. It's 100% automatic, and my account is almost at $63,000. I rarely recommend binary options trading software, but this one is the real deal. I think many people, me included, will be making a lot of money with Binary Boom. Anyway, I hope my review helped. Either way, I've saved you some time watching Dennis's website for hours and checking whether the results are real or not. Until the next edition of Josh's Binary Watchdog, have a great time, and thanks for tuning in.